na we gya wona so na yare wo bia edu nya no eto etimi atwa de ba ko e mo danso esenda mufu ane se e fara koma ye ho sensem de otumu zampa sa so ye wona na akwa ye beboa na etimi asoso so ano ana hyehye no akoye kama pa etimi era ma de mo nkomo no ye de ne se ye se wa hyase enyinya sa nsusuanso wo ya na wa ma na aboto na wa bomodin aba be ram ne ahwe ne aboa etimi aso ano mo se o wa uti no e pai wo ga ato aso a wonu mundro sa de no entimi enjai enye no nko obonze wa na yese wakoma no enho hwehwe na afi no esan bontentem na afi so no mojabroso de no wajumbo ze wa asa nanse acho nine na afi brenso no ya de a ewramu na yese wani suchubo so kono eyo ya na afi boso so no o chance so tipins na no za koma no ya ka wanrentu ana ma dabi no ekwa kofa ha kesie bi e de abrewa emmo amane mankoyi emfama ese nya no nko eno mo ye ho adwuma mo bo di ayarewa no ebi hepatitis, ebi diabetes, infertility na sexually transmitted infections na typhoid na fo kinimu haw aranse po ose dunya o de romo bo heba a medical research center ne amwa etimi enso anoma hwehwe nkoyie pa etimi emfama kama pa na senete omubo adwuma jora kokusi memenda arope bia no so abo e de kokoramze no numbebo e de apai mu enwumre na opo mo arwa ni chemu adoato Dumenu last stopper baby asofu ma me ton ne dokno no omne ne die nimre enti faramba na ne omo eni nkomo ne yembo na ye ntimi enso so ya ye na no anso no gina na anso na ne man koyi pemfa ma na ya 0257 472 506 0257 472 506 na 0249 761 508 0249 761 508 ni amwa na hyehyɛ no enko ye kama pa entimi enfama na tutu endeda di so no netimi enfama so na bi so nko enfama drinks abe dwama so ane eno na esmasi no ye bo modern ne de adi na aboa mane makoye pretimi era mabako mixer 5G ere abama ni ndiaba no ena bo modern etimi aye na anya bi na agba eboa ma hyehyɛ no koye pa etimi era ma kama ma so no utimi jana so ni na se Ghana o ma adwena de benya no grapes no ebo modern ye niema na ma ne adwuma na jinsen no eyiyi ntini mu eboa ma ye mema ne de kra ye na so etimi ye adwuma ni ya niema koye na green tea no ena ne shade eboa ma body shape no onya ne ye kama pa enye no nko mo a ena de miso fruit drinks no ababa be run away organic fruits so ena de mango melon apple pineapple ena fe de kaka ho no ntunya bi na agba uze mu apia e de ye papa na be di nto na aba eye na aba se party bi na oye dodo na aba na aba be hiem no oje ana de serve awo na aboa amomo so manije no etimi ewe pe nturu pe dodo na obeto nkra na wafa na mai na nkomodi de bia ye di weba na aba be romo waso ye 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 Urwani HMO area overseas Manager Daniel all 21st Kene Kobeko Aqua Kunyadodo na Bikai Supermarket Sister Sewabe Bwana wanye Mama Esther Urwani HMO outcome Royal Ventures no na jese omu Watra Baptist University wobuakwa omu bwejuma PNC Ventures no anomanji taxi station Osi Charity Hospital Janshubi ya na Sachi Enterprise no Urwani HMO asafu wabinchia Osi VIP car park no ye Bwana wajibina ni yama kuyepa etimiera ma 21st Kene so se menka emfanjo zebra na bra be ramo maso ye ne fa siate ka ho nkoma yara comfort di na munim ze we di ne ede enti ya depa nya depa ni na ze ya ye transit no titu ye ma memo ya mukodwa obe transit fia no pana akwa kosi enwumre onze ndu bebi na nante no ai bibio ni na ze ne to asinti no etwetwe na ma ni ramo ne shechu bebi na pa ba be ramo enso ewo ni sisi echu ne ramo ne nanimu bebi so ahwentu ana mo dabi no oba ba bebubua emmo amane manko ye fama no tibia ba ko a ye bre ne aso ano na wagia na so na ne ma ada ye pretimiera ma no 21st Kene commercial mo na bre na ye bo mode eyi sa ha ni nyina etimiere fu no kan bi ne from expecting sciatica enye no nko ya wa wodo na ebi ti se diabetes hypertension bi ti se stroke and afi malaria fever ne typhoid ye ndie emu nketo ni na bre na ya bo na etimi ahwe na so no wonya found your maso no kwa laboratory services ne koso ni nyina ze yenya to boase awie ni amanimu ehun ze ni se na ti anse na abomodin e de duro no etimi aka na scan services no ya de ekoso Fridays bi amakasa after ejuma no to for na je massage no ye de machine treatment be kan ho a e be boa no wagia na so pa na nema adaye pretimi ra ma more than 15 branches Ghana baby a omo ebo ejuma Kumasi no ahwe overseas junction no be na free radio oboase cancel cortes core junction be yomo Accra Dome market no unyomo baby ti se sunwane enkranza ne techi ma no nyina omo ye ejuma number no 0249 311 0249 311 and 0540 311 0540 311 ofra yeba boana ne wa kan haw ya se ahwew amwa bibiduro papa ebre na sa ya ye na nema akoye pretimi ara man tete so me shen se na sidi amame from ani enchi mo the vice president edema Ghana Athletics Association no amaso ni nkoma akra ene paper friend Charles Osiasibe edidi di nkoma na nkoma wadi no ojezo obese Ghana ban ne se ne enkomu tu anamon kra na nke diska kitu ebi ewuramu aboyen alidi anko gidi se bebi ombekwadu no yade anka no edem passe and obomode cheche ni se ni mu che
$1 will get you the results you're asking. The other athletes you see all over the world are not better than our athletes. Remember, our athletes are student athletes. They live in the States and the UK. If they don't work, they cannot feed. Kenya decided to make Omanyala a national project. And you follow athletics. See what the Nigerians do. They have companies and individuals and even the state supporting their students. What have we done for our athletes? Anytime I say this, I speak with passion. In the last 10 years, no discipline has done better than Ghana athletics. It's a fact. So if you find your athlete being ranked in the top, becoming a top leader, world leader, and cannot compete and win medals for you at major championships, what do you do? What have we done for athletes? Respectfully, if the cost of one Black Stars event or one Black Stars match, Ghana Athletics, for a year, we'll give you those medals. These athletes complete school. This year, we have about 4 of them have completed school. Some would have to drive Uber to survive. How do they train to get you the medal? How do they train to come to the Africa Games to win gold medals for you?
Eltiamo ye command ni paper friend Charles Osiasibe bomode de tuya wa me no anso sambo mode di nkomo ni bi etimi eto aso na nsema otimi ere to aso no se na bomode no so no otimi edi etuya.
If people don't know, yes, these athletes do well, then you find officials tweeting. We asked how they got there or what we can do to make them better. I still maintain our athletes, they can win those medals. Invest that money in them. In our build up to Africa Games, why don't we spend about $500,000 in these athletes, take them to South Africa, prepare them for 1 month, and you will see. Anytime we have gone to international games or competition, we have issues with our relay team, not because they are bad, because they don't run competitions together. It is important for us to invest in our athletes. That's why on our own we are trying to raise resources. Ghana must invest in athletics because athletics is the best sport and #1 in Ghana, not the other discipline.
Eltiamo ye command ni paper friend Charles Osiasibe wani chimo Ghana Athletics Association Omasiono and vice president Edemo na tie ne nkoma odini ne mo di eroma na chese o chese ne be aban no embo modin na eba ne athletics na omuntimi invest wo me no na beboa amagien na so na ne makoyie pa etimi edi amemu nkomo ne mu nchimu no ene de odi eromu no ejeza mpa oresi de dwuma di ni sie kwa zene Black Star sika no kra na omode bogim ba kono se no na aban Nigeria to no say or the eromu etimi eda mo anke beboa amomo so no edi dwuma na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi edi amomo amana so eno san checheche mu ze bells infie no makomaku dunie ope bebi a omoboa hye oman na nimunyam pa na ageze eyomo ekomrika ne sa ne ma wodo na eboa mantoto ende da yeso no etimi edi ementi mamenko na menni nkomo we wa amano so mra meza no pa no yere to anim ewo the Shootout no so say Emmanuel Sapon oye striker dem Brikum Chelsea ya do ebi won mpatam ote a was ye twembe no no acheche mu ni ade ada imana umpombo ko de
na mi admo boss bibia boko na wo say
o mezo me wede na Brikum te say
o bibia boko
abeza nra nwumre ne na mana ye hunze yima ewo na wawura fidia we mu na wayiwe yira odi ama we ura na wayiwe na odi ama ejemu kakra eno no na den pa na ekoso samre no.
Well, Abu Mamencha na mencha wa fefo na mencha wa TF so. Abu de na umunsa million matun di #widows must eat this Xmas. Ese ekunafo nso didi Xmas yi. Enti mafatum hu se lipa 50 or say ekunafo 50. Mema almost to the SMAC because it do this time so be didi ntino omo ni bi ne omo hospitals because we started from hospitals obu ho 300 cities ntino we twa odaho like ni bibia bills ntino waka hospital ho ntino ra me call Holy Family Obrekum ekoyi nipa 5 omo bills na petty ya o maka ho from there no na me started say akunafo omo Brekum like omo sheda any business any man so me started say me mom we be kakra say the SMAC betimi so e dey na we be kakra aka man yeah anti umu ya na yesa adoya na me
but you say ade we ni nkomo ya udi no locally ya na denze be unzi players ni ye be omo a zebi obi kra be ka so omo ashada so omo amano ni ade we no kra no omo ntanye we ni ade a ota ya na ze emre dikin a wafa adwen so be ni.
Well, Abu, so when me nam for many omunam Zakaria Adams mo ne edin koma, they will tell you the kind of person you man was upon me. And yet this is the first time. You started season me call word of friends. That's orphanage I Obrekum ha. Eko yo madoye. You season me call ho no makoye madoye because football no. There's a lot of challenges you know. Footballers so do na instead anye prayerful. Intino we are na ekita kakrakra. Make me about the whole season without injury. Me ntena fie enye mahoden e adoye bi am ye ntino e ade a me ye enye this is the first time am ye ti e ade am ye.
Wow, na jeze we na wo ye no e ade e fe ye papa na chemu wo ye no motive we chi ne tizen yours as a ho bo na e wa na ado ho na obo na bosome so atwi aka di enye nhye ze yima mfa ni sika nkonko ezi we a wo ye no de na namzo nti a wa bo mo de etuza na mo we.
Well, Abu, the motive behind the me say meaning baby am free ba anybody am pese me kodru ma fabi moda meaning say the city SMAC ye wo bo ho a onya access to like say the nkrofo enjoy no ntimi enjoy sa ye wo bi mo ho mo yare ehye dem ye wo bi mo ha amanfo eje o mani no mo so like omuni sa sika o mo de bebo mo brane ade no etimi no ma fatu mo say obi a meti say o ha ase unhye dan enya sika SMAC infa anywhere ni no I'm there to support you. Said they are also obeba back to ebia on dwene bebre nti enye bibi to say me ye di agi bibi anase but me ye for future because who knows ebia enye me ebetimi aka me family bi anase me mba in future nti abu we dey for the SMAC said they are akunafo so be didi and ama me ye dey me
Iba nyame sharp emeza na mo we a utu no te said na make den ze locally ebe onzi local boys no yo mobotom skadi tu sa na mo ndi nyame sharp bibia yifi ye bia no na abam kama pe dia mana abeza basketball die ni room ni ense ntwe room akakra Chelsea mo last 7 games a mabono ma win num elusu ba kwa draw bako eze season na sa Daniel we all form no ano edimpa den e koso
Abu, I can say, Chelsea. Sometimes we started slow. We go high, starting high notes now. But this time, no, Chelsea started slow. But at the end of the first round, I will say, ya Kenya, ya home. And maybe just hard working. What I say, motivation from the technical team, from the board. And I'm Brekum Chelsea. Yedrum Pempensui. It was a very hard, difficult game against RTU, but. Muhe ahokekan boys ye de call game no ne motive ne de pese ya because ye start season no ye say ye moto ni say o see win ultimate no what you say no so pese win ultimate there you need to points be I say o get that be and say o get that say be ya e betimi push you to the top nti almost the Chelsea win a hard working and also the motivation from the board and I'm Chelsea ye do some pempen so and kahwa you just keep on fighting mentally, physically, I will say yes, strong. Said we need the ultimate.
The ultimate now can onage the league, mobeje. For
sure. Because yes, starting Coach Chris, the technical team leading by the chairman Obed Nana Kwame Ketia, MITS, they are ready. If you win league now, they are ready for Africa. What I say, I'm going to MITS. Players so. Yes, you could be a baby because media is there. dreams is there. They are playing well. Why not? Yes, we can also do something because this is not the first time. Chelsea are Kobe Pen. We are all ready to, go for the ultimate.
Ima mede minimo pa ode to liberty intala Sufi akọ of Finland dey am team from Fincourt hokra no jigu kene to aso be premium no miensa but as back to Chelsea no goals in mba o ade bibi o
Labu me kase bibi o bibi any ho I just need to focus. I just need to work extra harder. What you say? And I say I did ho na me na football na as a player, no, I need to, stop it, As time goes on, we must up different because your start is not a slow start, but this time, no, everything is, on point. We are still working. We different must upcoming.
Weekend is another big game, Bono Derby. Money before Quatano. Mo first Bono Derby, I'm a boy, Now this time, Derby is now my ball, Bono in Amolusu. Say, Ediana Shemo. And it's your time, I'm a shame on a beach United. Ashemon. Do you know them? A mania deal, Monobo Funyambo Saturday.
Abu, Umse Diana Shay, Bichima, of course, in Seattle, by this time, I didn't use you free as a playing body. Yes, you never be brave. What you say? Mistakes are here against Bichimno, mistakes are here against Adriana, mistakes are here against Insuatreno. We are not going to repeat the same mistakes against Bofuakwatano this time. Until Saturday, it must win game. So, may predict to the supporters there. They should come in their numbers, support Brekum Chelsea to victory Saturday. And we are going out for the 3 maximum points. We are ready. Technical team playing body. Obia ready for this particular encounter. Until Saturday, at the end of the game, no going to say they make and Brekum Chelsea carry the victory.
Made ima medasi nyamezu nhia wa na koso na komapa na owo edema ankofo mo kwa hunyeyam ni ade no koso na onsho botum na koso na yesadi nyamehia no mbo ba wa yedase pass no bre
medasi pass on my din komo
no Emmanuel Sapon no Brekum Chelsea o mataka sera no pa na edidi hon komo no eni adoyo kokoko na wasante hon kra ma ezenye no nko a Osen Remo Hospital ekokohwe omo a azo mada ho acha kaka krebi no eni no yentimi enyi omomo nkofie no ekoku yi nipa no maku num etimi refi onti no ye nkoma wabomode etimi reje na yeramu sa yedidi hon komo no na yatia simina association football no yeram na yeni nkomo Benjamin York ejamubu ejuma etimi ma Bofuakwata no on loan hard to for complete no modena kwa kurona ne oni edi nkomo kakra season ne chance ya zena ne ma islu kakra edi amana waba back no se ne target no se no wabomode asete no
as me ko na me di inji kakra na ko enti ina me say that fit to 2 minimum but see ade ya me ado my fully fit time say upcoming matches in there metum me say kan ma Bofuakwa me say be a bo season we na be a local blaster be na yetumi afrɛ me as me ko na
Eltiamo ye komo kakra na Benjamin York ebo mode eri je eboa manema dadi pretimi ere ma Ramo Nations FC o maso ya Emmanuel Boyan na captain ere ma Bobo Kodidi kan ebiza say this season has scored to bia ba mu fie draw na mo ne omo enya na sa matches no amuram ne point na amunye no mani so se no so bo mode eri anu ye ni jai
na o say kotokone has de omunye small club e Ghana ha o ye ka Ghana ha omne big clubs e Ghana ha so no on be bo na obetimanya sa results we I think say enye bad so you bet me assign ko so home grounds akwa because football to be bet me see second round so me just say a good results at the my
Eltiamo ye komani obomodi etimere to yan after money as your mobile baby ramu league ni mo no ohwese ne mesi ko ne de ekwa ene se de munchi mu ni sietia oni ho komo akra entimi emfa nche na ye hu sere hye no esietia league na nka so baby ram no sene sitiere mo se ne nso di jai
you okay with baby na ye that is here because enye is a setting we ba mfoforo na otima be to sa performance we na wenye baby pass yada so the ye bet me and say bet me the ye no ye be koso an ya se na be ya yentim ma akiri oh afene yaba se nyame ya dum na se e ba se engia ye beje so league na ye because matches be bre na aka ye born match after match so ye share anim say nyankopon be ya dum time no se beje then ye beje
Eltia no ye kuma captain de ma Boboko a ye from Nation FC na Jesse Emmanuel Boahin no na ni wa bomode ne didi ni koma Boahma ne madeda ye pa etimi ya play bia league no nim na ni so pa Bichim United 11 wonders era ne wa baba be Romo Nation so Boahma ne madeda ye ma be Heba Clinic mami abi semen ken fancho se bidun kuto era bomode etimi ya ye djuma no na djuma obo ne ne mo de ram ne ya de da mu sonko a eboa na bibia akoyie pa etimi edi amount tieni ye ye bema wade no fon na efon wana de ye wo ba asase zun za de ni so e wo so hwe na ebula bula nya ze keto asa ya na itwa mpo na anim ye be didi nkomo no we chiendu wanim no na ahita bibia azo akwa na de no aizi nkruma ma me ne beboa na wa pija ni mu ayidu obesa ma hoden aba mutuja ne awuza mpa asuma si na aba adwuma o tuja na apo ma ne ma dade era ma prostate no unyi na ekesi wonto ana ma dabi no ye de ade ko akwa koto be ma ne mu eno so echi baby girls no boa siesie mfio ma baby atwa yopo ma baby aya akono e ma sonwie so etime ba fie bosome so bu nsa na e kan odwe wa peba unya bi enami aye na edunya ne nyino hwe etime eso ano eno so echi no twa ya ba ko a enimgu ase pe tisifie a ya na emien kan sempa mfamfa abusua no ho obe no waso ano etime da ma wako nipam no ene kokoyi no nyino hwe boa second cell sensem akwara na yesi onyindu baby obefim no ma mia bi beboa ma ba no egiano na so na ne makoyi pa e da mantina so ye second cell test no ye scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site or obena patrapa junction number no 0243 5392 5392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 Ramuni ambwa na ne amande da yepa entimi emfa ema Yusuf Alasa chipsa edidi di nkomo yara fa yin Black Stars no na orezia di woma Comoros for ne amama odo na chia na omaboye no on the Black Stars no say na we are seeing now 6 e kasa etimi reform
to assess Ghana football as at now but in any say things are not so good as we expected. I mean, looking at the last results are achieving against Comoros, but I mean, all hope is not lost yet. Senegal Kotoko season Oman shall say Oman pick up slowly. The same say no yen twin ka say nyama ye entirely. They are on course. They are on good course. And Oman keep you focus. No making sure say maybe able to sign a Ghana football so here. I mean, as you go along, no, you try to correct your mistakes. Now, baby, short of all, no, you make corrections and then get back on course.
Eltia no ye command your bomb de region after no neze Black Stars ye peze Jafcon ni biana Zavi Kuzere nkofozi e di weda na ye de ne se di ohwe akwa ye ku ya de na e be fa de
it out. Yes, I think we should lower expectations. We are not ruling it out completely. So winning the AFCON is not it's not impossible. It is possible, but the truth be told, no. Looking at what other countries are doing, the amount of money invested in football, infrastructure and other stuffs, no, we are way back. And taking that into consideration, like I said, we have to lower our expectations. Winning the AFCON is not an easy task, a tough one. It's possible, near impossible, as I said, but we have to lower our expectations.
Eltiamo ye koma we are seeing now 62 ja na cheze aize ni da so na ewu ye koje ne tetete so because bibia betimi asidie but enisi de reshima eno ye nkoma ne obomode etimere jai na nyambo ne niam dadi a 4 pm pepe Dreams FC ebe omode na omo etimi aye training na aboa na hyehye na dadi pe etimi ra mo nzanze nyambo china omone academical na de ko akwakobo eni e wo hanoma ye hwe na niam dadi pa etimi ere amom ntimu nkoma no 4 pm pepe ombe omode no mo aye training no yes the first 50 minutes na eba kwan na central for yakwa kwesere ne mesiti Euro Africa no china 1 pm pepe mediama ejina konomone yanga ene bebo ni ne coach ye Freddy Evans Augustine Adote ekushia central for na didika no okase de for training I was so mo ye ni issues akwa kuram say no obomode di ne nkomo ne che
from Ghana to Dar es Salaam safe arrival in Dar es Salaam good hospitality except one thing I need to end up after my comment, or if I may come straight. Yesterday on my program, I had to train well at a boot field or a boot site. Because when we go to the destination where we had access to training, and even today, marking the mandatory training, I'm I'm also told there is no room for us to train because the game is ongoing today. I don't know. So I'm yet to know whether my team is training or preparing finally for the tomorrow's game.
Tia no ye komo bo mo de tuja jezo mo ko ye no ma jo mo feso na de ba kwa re ono ze bebi o betrini na de nra was o mo kogo trini o mo ana team bi ba ze o mo be ye ya jo mo intimate training na so no mandatory training on be no stadium on be bo game no ye simba fo isi akanti samre no o mo intimate training after no ye bi zanze na preparation o mo di ram ne sere nema esi e koro mo ye prepare say game no o mo kwa ku run o mo kwa ko bo ejuma na bo ama nema ku edi amomo si no de tuja.
Psychologically we are prepared. Like I said earlier, I need to be cautious. My team especially need to be cautious. Win tomorrow, a draw tomorrow will keep my team marching forward. A defeat will bring the morale of my team down. Why? Because 4 out of 9 points, I need a win. I need a draw to keep going because the next game against El Hali is also a difficult task. Far away in my country. So all that I want to say is I'm side, my boys are side. We are ready for the battle tomorrow. Let's hope the field will decide tomorrow at the end of the week. And coming to your second question on the approach, well, I'm not coming to this game with one game plan. I have 2 game plans, plan A, plan B. If plan A is working, I'll keep on going forward. If plan A is not working quickly, I have to switch to my plan B. And I have all these plans under my sleeves together with my team.
Dialogue Kobaku Cheratuya, Chezapa, or our banner draw na win or the Babanyesa or Fimu, na plan or the rum no any B, say A Namfa being a or you or the age may rub one animal dead in Pediamano. Abdullah Baba Musa and a captain at the Momona, Baba Musa Zono, Didi Kan Bomodi didn't come acra, na Ninsavo Didi Kano, Sino Bomodi Cheshim.
Like my coach said, very determined. We are going to get a good result back home. With the strategy or the tactics we are going to use, I can't disclose that yet. But at the end of the day, we have to get a good result back home. This is not our first time playing under crowd or a huge crowd like this. Yeah, we've been playing under crowds in Ghana for a couple of years. So this is nothing new to us. Yeah, we just have to know what we have to do on the field of play. And I'm not sure the fans are the people to decide. We, the 10, 11 man on the field, we have to decide the outcome of the game. So surely the fans is not going to play a game or not going to make anything difficult for us. We are going to work as we always do to get the maximum points.
Tia no ye command or the tuja jezampa supporters ne be shepa kinizu ye didi kre no no enye nsuzazo na Ghana omo a etia wo so mo de omaho de ni ram na eboa na ne ma de di pede ma mo nti omo na be decide na totoye no akoyera mo after no training no mo nya akonya training ono so no edi ho nkoma akra see na obomo de ne nsem no etimi edi jai
they knew to I don't know what happened but we were not able to train yesterday. And as a player, you have to give your best at training grounds before it can reflect in the game. So we not being able to train yesterday was something a bit worrying, but that was yesterday. It passed and gone. We have today. We are hoping to get ourselves to training, and it will reflect in our game coming tomorrow, inshallah.
Tia no ye command your bomb de James and some no dosin ye papa na manyana de Roberta do soa hard for us shall ni din komo so on sambra emma me join omo ne omo entimi embo adwuma no ye de eboere ba no pamede to anim ze kwame ba omo ne no etimi din komo na kwachi obi san ne de amado so wan so no yese nkomo na kwa enimu ye papa omo ye so be baba be rama bo adwuma etimi edi amomo na aboa na ntoto na da ye pa edi amonti ma menko na me ne apostle hwe kakra na emi say homecoming no oro ani chiemo so ame ha eno so no Mashas yomugusu koso esmas intimere na emrisi no menim pinfo na etime didi nkoma na nkoma na apostle ati tibiana mamindi kamfa we mo na trase Charles Osiasi bi nkomo die efa ne Alexis no no ene vas fama meni enti no vice president head ma Ghana Alexis Association koma obomo didi see no den sem ne tuja.
You see all over the world are not better than our member athletes are student athletes. They live in the States and the UK. If they don't work, they cannot feed. Kenya decided to make Omanyala national project. And you know, you follow athletics. See what the Nigerians do. They have companies and individuals and even the state supporting their students. What have we done for athletes? Anytime I say this, I speak with passion. In the last 10 years, no discipline has done better than Ghana athletics. It's a fact. So if you find your athlete being ranked in the top, becoming a top leader, world leader, and cannot compete and win medals for you at major championship, what do? What have we done for athletes? Respectfully, if the cost of one Black Stars event or one Black Stars match to Ghana Athletics for a year. We'll give you those medals. These athletes complete school. This year, we have about 4 of them have completed school. Some would have to drive Uber to survive. How do they train to get you the medal? How do they train to come to the Africa Games to win gold medals for you?
Etiano, ye Goma Charles Osasibe, Vice President and Ghana Athletics Association Yatuja. Ahead of the year, say African Games, you know, ye be who still no mushia did in Coma, Sadina Babita. Also, Aquaba Bim. Come on, what to do na the river.
I accept that away, but cancer. I've said this over 2 decades. I accept that now. Answer. Charles, me I mean your Charles. It's sad that you see the president Bauer Hussein. Many Bauer have been together in athletics over 20 years.
Oh, okay.
From choice, yes. Look, Charles has been a renowned journalist, so he knows what he's talking about. And you will not change. The country Ghana, we don't have visionary leaders. As something you know, any visionary leaders. The people we have are not visionary. Kwame Nkrumah, only Kwame Nkrumah here. Kwame Nkrumah time. Alessandro ni Michael Hemu, they were making the same time like the British athletes at Commonwealth Games. The same time. Because of my athletics trainers, Charles Kumi Jemfi, before 63, he went out there, got Brazil for training. Some Menuka had difficult to train people in Brazil because we're African Brazilians.
Yes.
But that's a president who had a vision. Neo peso the football ye. So I say Ohini Jambe tram me ha office of the president. Let to me fool every day me back can't share me near so he used football as a major political tool of influence and power. Like Mobutu Sese Seko was a banga usually it was at that time through Englebert. When he left, Rollins Beye Kakra, and then President Kufuor. At least President Kufuor, he realized that there was a need for us to have additional stadia.
Yes.
Or the 2x. Nipa baby or my qualifier for World Cup. From there, what happened? Where is the sports policy of this country? Minister Ms. Wada Wejubansuni Deputy Ombai, what have they done about that? Talk shop. Kasas are feedback. 1 year is a serious number of days, 365. For you to put policy documents together, we are serious to push government and corporate entities for implementation. When people talk about Brazil 2014, baby Anna and Elvis then I was part of that committee, and I'm proud to be part of that committee. The late Christopher Poku was part of that committee. Yampo Fankra. Listen. One of the things as journalists we made sure was done was to make sure the minister no befa corporate companies uncofa nesan to abansikamu ekofa supporters. Never. Elvis did that. But we insisted because baby as journalists, we were privileged position to have a lot of information. To a lot of board banks telecos, but they came on board to put their money. The minister, we a minister who were influence. Abai betimia ye bibia mak only companies by share meeting. The sports minister, listen, near Kenya is kasem.
Yes.
Near Chasi Kenya is kasem.
Yeah.
The sports bill, no government has been able to pass the sports bill into an act. The most important aspect of the sports bill, no, funding, baby, free and sustaining all our disciplines. It has been there, government after government, nobody had the balls to say, media, me want need a so papa ma Ghana sport. And this is the way I'm going to do. Nothing, none of them. None. Bessie and sports bill say they are going to ball a move minimum. The major problem with other disciplines are football. Say because politicians normally their money blaster football. And no money but that discipline money come for. They are central for can. Nothing happen. Nothing. Here, Ghana, football, me kind. Athletics here but athletics, none can bring medal to Ghana than boxing. None. Nia air for media chair di medal and today Olympic game the only silver medal enya. Clement Quote Olympic game.
Yes.
And this is boxing. Commonwealth game she gold medal do enya. Next year to the world title sayanya. Sebio Azuma knows the world title football when you be. Ne di kra to me for America. Azuma and uko WBC for featherweight or inducted into ne di wo so. That's the level. Yebenya I quote WBA welterweight champion. I Bazooka quote by Joshua Clottey IBF world champion. Agbeko IBF world champion. Nana Akonedu WBC flyweight world champion until losing to Sukimu. So I'm saying that this is a country about sebi boxing world titles or medals or yejibi. And you say you're but we don't have leaders who are visionary to think beyond their nose. It's about stealing money, robbing money, enjoying booties. And one I can't pay for. Teachers, remember me where they me see me hammer can be you. They will not me see. Now go about by 7 years.
Yes.
He the president now go all this vision on sports. The president of the land. When have he or no when has he indicated his vision on sports? He claims he's a footballer. The Ben on Wankasa has stated, outlined his vision on sports. Our sports ben any priority sports. What is the plan of the government? Again, our tasking minister Sonia normal time frame. Sports ministry. You are near two biakeke. Also compare with Bineshia Trust and I got on sports ministry. Do what special plan? I am my penny for no war. Yeah, my penny for no war. I am my point to be on the way there or nim dears and of course sports now. Me vision or bet me ama implementing. No. Yeah, sure. No, we cry about me. We are caller. Yeah, fan got that's a joke. To sector ministry Nankasano and Nibre Papa Bianco in recent times.
Yes.
Well, President Kufota, maybe President Kufota. When you hear the men who are the sports, was there? Osafo Mafo.
Yes.
Papa Osankuma. Kojoma Redu. Sebio. Edia Mabuboy. Heavyweights. Iwa.
Yes.
A shop Papa no vision. Vision no. One call work up.
Okoye.
One stadiums.
Osie.
So the Nippon Majumodo. Omabo Brapa Kowa Derebesi.
Abeboamu Jumana Eka.
Anyone know? So only weight. Or a flyweight in sports. Flyweight in everything. Mustafa. Or a flyweight. In boxing, flyweight, who offend power, Ufri strawweighter. No, called junior flyweight to fly, who offend power. Offend power. Not disrespect to him. I'm saying he lacks the capacity and the needed vision to run the sports ministry. And so far, he's proving that. So if you send this caliber of people to that ministry, resource and in the oh, there's here. African game, on time about African games. That time, no, America. Your major athletes, any American across the continent, athletes don't match April and almost study at two American colleges. No benya trot credit. Some many African games.
Obentu mao. Bazo amane.
Some many. No enjoy it. Kakra nombra betu. Abu. So Emi me minjaka. Omunye hu Abu upa. Me say. Omunyashwe MPP and this Omunyashwe they don't give a hoot. Ye risk ho. Ye risk be ho. Ye sit down kesia ya about 2 years 3. They don't force me don't. And I want to be trying to because
kakra lobo kola we so abedanda ye kakra.
Omaya Sebiu all invested in an athlete. Namum okay. Girl, Bisa, girl no call. Amatabisa buy. Oh, what was the investment in Matabisa? Tell them go him. No one more. I didn't call Matabisa investment. Maybe I didn't call Matabisa investment. Capre Cranko. But I'll buy a penny for no. That is Ghana for you. A croix. Sebo ana almost share him says be Jimmy Fo. And to Jimmy Fo, Monko. One, what I like championship, Olympic Games, Munkoji medal, but only gold at 5,000. Are we stupid? How do you get medal when countries are investing in the athletes? Because why invest on himself with medal? Why shed that for sake of populism? Any cheap popularity in Ghana. And because a lot of people are also gullible. And in Ghana, we do things on needless and parochial party basis without thinking that we beyond the party, there are people that we must think about. That is what happens. So, me, I don't care about, listen, NDC, MPP, also, 7 years, about our sports bill, they will never do anything. About NDC will come, they will do nothing. To, Mami can't, before, painful, but Mami can't young boy, no, you understand, Palasem. Look, you go places. Near me here, say, on your discipline, not keeping it focused, not hardworking. If you have a young player like this, well, a local player.
Yes.
Now, or no, kakra se be Chelsea pay no nye papa sa. But kakra ono nyano se ohun nipa mobo. They no cost with some more bills. Amuntimin tiaka or boa mama, I'm telling you, I salute this young man. Nyami beshra no papa, he will go places. He will be protected and he will be favored. Yeah? Say a players all local league mo. Bebre amudima girls amogu amudima sini man for Sompa bebre. Ni ananse anya se mi amin pese me bondi. Say omudi ye we anka nyansa me wa. Where they shrap papa ba minka se men fa girl. Ba fa kwampa so and do that. But we are so touchy. I'm so touched. This is a local player. My foreign based players bebre ba. They don't do this.
David.
We're a local player. And oh yeah, no, this guy, God will bless him. On to us, and I expect other local players should learn from him. We on call Abruche on your dollar CD. People are suffering this kind of give money to ordinary players called blaster players that they should go and play and take 10,000. They are ordinary players. Who play Papa da, so I don't problem. Who will leave Brahim da? Who will be the da? Yes, one free woman Zobo Boda, Emmanuel Ampia, Tony Bavo, Isaac Asari, Amasiniga.
As a person for
Stanley Abura.
A person for the Yubia.
Well, most of me Bob Masavu, you me Bob Bemedi, Prince Poli, me Bob Memedi, you go Anthony Barberi Pili. I'm mentioning men.
As you will be Dimba, Jordan, I really did you.
Papa na Ubuni Dino. Ukainia, Augustine Canchero.
Yes.
Or see on Makino. Ongwe confess
where we are she go.
Maestro, Africa, nobody.
About the Matthew Champion.
Upon we are gramba, so upon we are Academia. Maestro, oh, Massa. Me see, current players, what did that African player be? And see, they're not even a two. That you be flies presidential jet, special jet on the tarmac or Bobo, no Akofu is there. Nobody, no African players experience that. I bet the Pele. Better tap is special jet. The maestro.
I was about teaching them no bisha. But when corner me painful in come on. Painful akwaba. But the gambu essentially near there. But be person the mama banner there. Ebe form sa. Else you be him Messi mo. And Cristiano Ronaldo. Hey, abazo. About to hear better Messi money Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ahmed Polo da bisa. Omo ma hwe bo papa otie obodi tiko. O me Ahmed Polo osi Messi.
Abazo. Oh. Messi there we as a football top player.
Send me obehu ye no. We have the benefit of different generation. Yeah. Bisa no hwe Polo say obetumi compare Messi to Polo bisa no. Bisa no enye me man come.
Dream magician no.
Aye, Ahmed Polo. Aye, the who ye no dream magician here Messi. The ye who no. The who no pay for akwaba bi abokode. Pabi na never to say.
Nyame adomo.
Juade you are on a chance here from day one. And Swami homecoming. Is here Arsenal near City? I'm on my update. No, I could do here.
Fantastic. If I was Joseph, that was a baby. Hey, it didn't need a member. 7 was a minimum.
To Robert Bowie. I bought me a crowd with the ash. I never you know, I'm crash me.
No. Really, we are moving. I'm saying, your bonnie beer. So I'm homecoming. Games in an you go so, now you drew, you be right, your quarter final stage.
Oh, okay.
Na team so ma qualify no omo bo ochina no ene de omo abaha no ye kotokofo ene cropofo omo na first semi final quarter final game.
Oh wow.
Ochina nyankopon ya adoma ewo astrotef nti we dey quickly me ko ayiso na wa ha Bashiru Gambo
Bashiru Gambo Gambo for so so na me omunye we ya Bashiru Gambo
awu we dey chao we me no generation we dey what did because the guys are mistaken for na mo pempe kaleja say obi as small boys say mbaba say there we say munimbo pulu mu e pulu ni abig yeah and the side the be am follow some between 1 and 1 am on catch him say no e will look up that so catch him say
alone born e dey
agbo bi na edi wow you know mo distance as o nante from akwa one emuwa
emua ela tap also echi o ta dey about so kan o ta na echi say polo mu born e dey
minister mo lo say ko fotuga e dim komo na e debate bi o platform so na invite no o catch say no Debbie. No, be compare Harrison Afro and Isaac Asari. Some more kind of card or Casamama. Yeah. My friend two Ghana to catch him second body because I debate with the new council.
Elizia Jazz.
Isaac Asari. Masa, do you know the players who were under like before he went there?
Apostle.
No, you don't get it. Masa, Isaac Asari.
Apostle. Yeah, the Messi ni Cristiano Ronaldo the football to the end. Mo se pela she 1000 goals I goals ya you.
Abu Sompa die. So am pe the point na Sompa so am.
It's no correct.
Yeah, e da masepa ni kwan ya mo dia mai. Big platform pa na mo dia mai. Be kasa wa how bia it e kwachi from day one Monday match mai. First quarter final do a derby match. The street na two professional players from outside Anado and then another from Pong aba we do mo camp
Anado and another from Pong I'm a professionals Tinanado fi na buy
Anado Zerina and
okay
so last time in the
yes Zelina how do you buy
and former player of
Nanado
ni fees Zelina but no near and the other one also I champion Bulgaria okay
former player
okay a champion a Kropo
yeah and tournament so far the tournament favorite omo brandy omo say some kotoko
okay
and at the same time no omo mienu so and now we are proper player na kotoko player ni nti Martin da budi abi echina de enya match
to che chance time
echina mo first match 3 4 o'clock kick off
okay
first match 4 o'clock and second match so 6 after the match
ma men call so na ze me no cry kakra di Kropo for no yi uni and akotoko so ni ma men chance e fe mo so nyambo achina local derby jadem pa bo so am o kam ni ye ni abre minim game no mu kom say
oh game ne dey prepare pa boys no nyina
na body ma mekane
me pa me dey Emmanuel
ya mo captain na
mpacho na me captain ma
wow capito capito team no mo ye be show mo na
oh ye ni abre pa game ne dey ya fully prepared boys ne ni able o me ni able pa because ye ni o musia e wo so amia ye big match a big very big match o bia pbi ahwe ti match we dey ye sre omo any na so mbepe match ni bi hwe because a very big match abochirefo ni nyina abedu ye ni match ni tough match pa omo so abochirefo so ayere aba nti match ni be tough obi ambra
to mo star players ni bi ne hwan
oh ye wo me am tie metukwan akwa aba
oh okay
football de makwa aba na ye wo na Afrimpong Bulgaria Nanado Zerina Pablo so akobelgium aba ono so ebeginem omo nyina ho no ti I fully prepared pa nyame bo achina by 4 o'clock PM no bia o agopa ban so be hwebo ni bi
mate uni ana ba yozo di
o fam Yusuf Musa but the dodo one ni me
Pepe ezo twapa
oh nye se bia me twa but nye yellow card na red card
ila zo twa be ba yellow ale be ba red card
so say ntwebi wo ha ni say ntwebi wo ha o ti me twa but ye maka
za ba do CV hu pa fa ma me
chele nye hu
say
chele nye hu
okay
me bo SK Fresh me call Ascodi Potivo me call Mediama kaka me say NC tournament na mbo na Mediama team na me ka obi na me body.
Oh, okay.
But I see there mo fie there but through your fence homecoming tournament amubo no na kotoko for yeso e den yaba no grupo nyankola match kura modi papa o show mo place na mo place pa am say professionals but shouldn't need professionals are but you well organized what I say tournament ni ede ya jemodi ka catch ron but masaba studio anya konya esa kesa o ndm ka jone se be show mo training
o be show mo ze
o muti
na o da simple zara o country na wa gu
yeah, qualify. Yeah, group stage. Yeah, your lowest score clamp 5-2.
That's a moment draw.
Group stage. No more.
Yeah, say big. You can score some
one. Yeah, more draws.
Big scores from.
And I'm on group stage. More draw. Some more. No more.
Yeah, we need now.
Now more share saying.
Yes, share 4. Yes, share 5. What does yes, share 3? Then I'm going to say yes, share 2. You share 3.
That's the way to move for crowd.
But yes, we are prepared that. But I say him no mutimi here.
Maybe all them can pass.
Tournament bia ya bono soano. Yene timiji kotoko for free.
Amano mo share do.
Yene o ma share we kan ho 4 times. Ni nyina ene yom free. Yene o mu share bia ni.
Aba.
Ye yom free.
Aba zo bu share bia o mo share.
3 times. So am ye yom free. Till that match we dey must win.
So am
kropo.
So I'm not kotoko.
Wate, etbo kada we be chat to na bi jam kwara ko to be chat every view so. Don't you chat to.
Okay, be chat one say ye besire mpenufo a omuda home company nim say ye besire omo. Both teams na ye ba be bo no. Emu odin de. What I say, obi ani bre so na ye de. Obi ade ba nti ye besire omo so menya referee obe fair. E dia ma fair officiating. And no hia e pa because wo hwe ye side your fans na the way we sit here, we have fair officiating. I am not ready. A bomb, send a bear, Basabasa behind the Emma, everyone whom come in now. Don't money mount, person, money, a very successful.
Mate, can we do the other way chat on Ico?
First of all, Medikiachia, DB Nation President Amandu Mechiano, Baby Bialo Ubia Mechiano. Now, Miss William make a cram meeting, I can say, March never bonny, Seremo, paying for Mombetaichi, Namumbe Shibi, because March no, and young crown match. And officiating so ye pese bibia gu na akwam ye pese ball ye fair ye pese be say ye sisi we and ye fair ye fair game ye mbo fair game na at the end of the day no do be winning no na ya akwama
mate menimzi ya nizu di cheti de be cause we be ready am labi ye o de be twa to na afa ye nko ye men no kraso
me da wase bebre for akwanya o de ama me edin kan no so me da mase pa awa akwanya mo de asan kan ho say me kasa na china game no enkola ya omuti onyina they are all my boys me na matete o my film nkola brem away from home me na me de omukọ asemba bia me na me na omobo nti china nyame ya do ma game na ye koso no me hunu say ye behwe very nice game because team na omobo ni nyina sabi ye ni obi a otifie a obebo they are all team players tikakra me kan say in terms of ahobanbo ya ibi bia a chuna nyame ya adoma ya pese e born free and fair no bia for ne baby na de obenwin no okofie de obelu so on accepting in good
launch into no nko
na ekwa ebe
double final way na kona ya me na so
ya sina my kan say na papa kan say na me so papa na tete me ya so am gala bibia megidin baby outside the papa true papa na me kwenti papa e bibia no de offer me a mitimi ndama ani na ya kan both players ya kan referees na o ma mbeli this kana koma regional football association yeah organizers campaign nim referee oba be
yeah
kotoko na ya wo me so am DB Nation so na me no mo na edi agro enti nini na me wa ha mintimi koda kotoko echi and my DB Nation so so mintimi da DB Nation ma mo nche kotoko me make sure say echina no ade bia be ma peace aba no obi ata ade say bia obi be ko obi da bi echina e benya good football obi be ko fia sunjuma e bia nche be pese yankopon say obi boy na enya good officiating
inshallah
mate here as here is super cause we di china di be ready there be me na me ye call dia ke to aso amamo